Hey gang, it's me, Johnny, out here at the meadow. Just finished my awesome workout, and I ran today for 45 minutes straight, so that's pretty cool. But I've been wanting to see if I could see what this sign said. So there's a section of it, and it's green, so it could be Sprite or something. Ooh, there's a bigger part of it. That looks like some type of gray. That's more green. Wonder what's green and gas. Sinclair? Because I already have found other, like, gas stuff. So look, 2 green stripes. I'll have to undig the rest of what's there. I don't see any other easy parts. If that tells any of you guys, what signs, these metal signs come in green? What would that have been? Alright man, maybe John Deere? Alright, later.